So now let's talk about vertical density stratification. The change of density with depth in the oceans. On the left here, you see the typical situation. So fluids want to have the heaviest fluid near the bottom and the lightest near the surface. In some situations, you might have a density interface. Okay, density interface between the heavy and the light. For example, if you have a river outflow or outflow of low salinity water from a river ending up over the saltier seawater and can create a density interface. And you might create internal waves at these interfaces, which are similar to surface gravity waves, surface waves that you find at the oceans, but with some differences. They are propagating much slower, have much larger amplitudes. So we talk about that later. However, on the other side, here, on this side, you can see the situation of what happens if you actually have lighter fluid under heavy fluid or heavy fluid over lighter fluid. Okay, so this situation creates a vertical mixing. It's called convection, thermohaline convection because it can be created by thermal effects or by haline means from the salinity. Yeah? So this situation usually doesn't last very long. So it's this mixing mechanism removes unstable stratification in the ocean. Okay. Now you can ask yourself, the question is, how do you create unstable density stratification that creates this convection? Similar question would be, how do you create actually stratification in the ocean? How do you make the water near the surface lighter than the water near the bottom? And these are the questions that you should think about. Okay, so which processes create these situations?